where do you see innovation happening within your business today?
I mean, across GE in general, it's happening all over the place, right? We have a heritage of innovation. It's a 120-plus-year-old company. It's invented a ton of things, even things that are in this room. So one of the cool things we're doing right now is figuring out how we can provide a more automated response to like letting teams have a more wide open account or structure, things like that, and have it basically self-heal. So not just around the infrastructure components or anything else, but if we detect an issue or something that's out of whack or compliance, we will literally just respond programmatically. So again, letting us focus in on what's important and what unlocks that value for us.
I'll give you a great example. A few weeks ago, we came up with an idea for a facial recognition ATM. Because it was cloud-based, the whole recognition product from AWS, we're able to use that, and we were able to quickly come up with a prototype. We actually made an ATM out of polystyrene. We put a set of electronics on the front of it, and we're able to use a cloud service to recognize somebody's face and come up with a solution that enables somebody to come up and take money out of an ATM without a card. You just come up, you look at the thing, you put in your PIN, and it gives you money, right? And that is a much more secure way of getting your money out of an ATM than using a plastic card. For a start, there's no card skimming possible. The actual face that you have is far more complicated and harder to copy than a plastic card is. And it also is a better user experience. You don't have to carry around a wallet to get cash.
Innovation is really important to us, so we're always looking at thinking outside the box. And as an organization, we've embedded innovation in many different parts of the organization, not just in technology. AI and ML is such a hot topic at the moment, obviously. We've been looking at in many different areas, but I think some of the more interesting ones are around our engineering and operations part of the business. So whether it's predictive maintenance type use cases, where we can predict failures of components on our aircraft more accurately and sooner, and therefore have even a safer airline. One of the challenges we have at the moment is the rising oil costs, so therefore the impact of fuel on our business. We're basically going to see an increase of $800 million to our fuel costs this year. So what we're looking towards is advanced analytics, or what we can do with some of the artificial intelligence by looking at how we utilize fuel, the data that comes from that, how we fly our aircraft, what kind of different data points we can explore, and then experiment to see where the optimizations might lie. Even the smallest optimizations will move the dial significantly for us.